Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you are coming across VC runtime 140.dll is missing error on your Windows 11 computer. So guys, if you are coming across this passage, I will show you guys that how to resolve it without any difficulty. So let's go ahead. The first thing is that you have to open up the Google Chrome or any other browser installed on your computer and type Visual C++ 2015 redistributable. Here it is, and hit enter. So the authentic result should be from the Microsoft domain here. Click on it. Once the site is open, choose your desired language from here and click on download. Now choose the file according to your system architecture. So I have a 64-bit operating system and click on next. Wait for it while the file is being downloaded. So it's done. Go to download and click on it to install it. Click on I agree to license terms and condition. So the setup is failed because I have already this file installed on my computer, so it might not happen in your case. So after the installation of this file, if you are still facing that issue, we can try out something else. Again, open up the browser and type VC runtime 140.dll. The best result you will get from the dllfiles.com. Go to this site. Scroll down. And the updated files are always on the top of this website. So choose the file according to the system architecture. Here it is, the 64-bit architecture file. Download it. Wait for it while the file is being downloaded. So it's downloaded. Open it and copy that file on your desktop. Here it is. Now go to this PC where the drive where your operating system is installed. Then navigate to the Windows folder and then System32. Scroll down. Here it is. Now you have to copy that file in this specific folder, System32. Make sure it's not copied on any of the other folders. So let's go ahead and paste it. Replace the file in destination. Yes, replace it. Continue. Click yes if you see user account control prompt on your screen. So that's done. After that, you have to restart your computer and hopefully it should resolve your issue. So that's it guys. This is the way how you can resolve the VC runtime 140.dll is missing error on your Windows 11 computer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.